How to add bank details to invoice in Xero. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add bank details to invoice in Xero. How do you get about this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Xero account. Once you're logged into your Xero account, in the menu next to your business name, you would see dashboard, business accounting, projects and contacts. Go ahead and click on your business name. Once you click on it, a menu will display and then you will see settings under files. Select it. Once you selected it, you will see organization settings. Then you see general. Click on and then under organization settings, you'll see a list of things, and by the right side, you see invoice settings. All right, let's go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, and you're on the invoice settings page, you select the invoice template. Now, the invoice template available is this standard pages. This is the invoice template. So, by the right side, you click options. Yes, options by the right side. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. Ensure you select edit. Just click on edit. Then this page will be displayed to you. On this page, for you to be able to include your bank details, just go ahead and locate terms and payment advice. Is invoice and statement. Once you see it, tap on it and then input your bank details. Once you input your bank details, go ahead and click on saved. And that is how you can add your bank details to invoice in Xero. Thanks for watching.